Imagine being able to walk into your boss's office, not to ask for a raise, but to tell them you're leaving. Not because you hate the job, well, maybe you do, but because you've finally saved up enough cash to go all in on that business idea you can't stop thinking about. That's not a fantasy. That's a calculated move. It's about building a financial fortress so strong that you can afford to take the biggest, most important risk of your life, betting on yourself. You see, the hardest part isn't having the idea, it's having the guts and the financial runway to actually make it happen. By my late 20s, I hit a milestone that most people associate with retirement. But for me, it was the complete opposite. It was the ignition switch. I hit what's called coast fire. And what that really means is I had built a launchpad, a sum of money big enough that even if I never saved another penny for retirement, it would grow into millions by itself. And that changed everything. I was no longer chained to a high-paying but soul-crushing corporate job. I could finally afford to take a pay cut, a massive pay cut, to start working on things that actually mattered to me, things that had the potential to become my own business. Hey everyone, welcome to Business Letters. For those of you who are new here, I'm a guy in my 40s now, originally from Florida, and I spend my time helping men, mostly guys in their late 20s and 30s, navigate the world of business and build their own freedom. Today, we're not talking about a specific business idea. We're talking about the financial strategy that enables all of them. This concept is what lets you escape the golden handcuffs. If you stopped investing today, could you still have a comfortable retirement waiting for you? If the answer is yes, then you have the freedom to pursue your venture without the crushing fear of ending up broke. I did the whole 9 to 5 grind. I invested diligently in boring, stable stocks. Nothing sexy, but I was disciplined, and that's what Coast Fire gives you. It's the first major step towards true independence. Now, let's be crystal clear. This doesn't mean you can just quit and sit on a beach. This isn't about retirement. It's about being able to shift your focus from making a living to building a life. It's the freedom to say no to a promotion so you can work on your side hustle. It's the confidence to quit your 6-figure sales job to start a consulting firm that only makes $50,000 in its first year because your retirement is already locked in. Your bills are covered, and you're building an asset for yourself, not for some faceless corporation. For me, it was the key that unlocked my late 20s and 30s, allowing me to ditch a safe career path and build my own ventures. So today, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step playbook on how you can build this business launchpad for yourself. Ideally, before you hit your mid-30s. If you're in your 20s, this is your cheat code. But look, even if you're in your late 30s and feeling behind, there's absolutely still time to make these moves and change your trajectory. You can realistically do this in 5 to 10 years, starting now. Let's get into it. Let's quickly define the levels here, because you'll hear these terms thrown around. Coast Fire is what we're aiming for first. You've invested enough that your nest egg will grow to your full retirement number without adding another dollar. Your primary income just needs to cover your current lifestyle. Full Fire is the next level. Your investments can now pay for your entire lifestyle. You could stop working if you wanted to. And then there's Fat Fire, which is basically when you have so much that you can live a very luxurious lifestyle purely off your investments. But for us, for ambitious men, Coast Fire is the magic number. It's the green light to go build your empire. Look, this whole strategy is a math problem, and it doesn't work without a key variable, a significant income. The FIRE movement is fueled by the gap between what you earn and what you spend. The bigger that gap, the faster you get free. Don't chase your passion yet. Chase the money first. In your 20s and early 30s, your job is to get a skill that pays, and pays well. We're talking software engineering, high-level sales, finance, specialized trades like welding, welding, or being an electrician, something that commands $80,000, $100,000, $150,000 a year in the US market. You need to become a high-value specialist. This isn't forever. This is a 5 to 10 year strategic mission to build capital. Get the money so you can buy the freedom. Debt is an anchor tied to your leg while you're trying to swim to the shore of freedom. Now, I understand some debt is strategic. A mortgage on a house you're living in, maybe. But the debt I'm talking about is the stupid stuff. That brand new $70,000 truck that you need, that's a 5-year prison sentence. That fancy watch on a payment plan, handcuffs. The average car payment in the US is now over $700 for a new car. That is insane. That's $8,400 a year you could be investing. That could be $100,000 in your Launchpad fund in a decade. Buy a reliable 5-year-old Toyota or Honda with cash and call it a day. Your future self will thank you. There's a difference. Being cheap is about cutting corners. Living lean is about being intentional. In your 20s and 30s, especially if you're single with no kids, you have a massive advantage. You can control your biggest expenses, housing, and transportation. Live with roommates for as long as you can stand it. Don't rent that luxury apartment downtown. My rent was insanely low through my 20s because I prioritized my future freedom over my current comfort. Cook your own meals. Learn to enjoy making a great steak at home instead of paying $50 for it at a restaurant. Every dollar you don't spend on lifestyle inflation is a dollar you can put to work building your freedom fund. This is where the magic happens. All that money you're saving from your high-income skill and lean lifestyle needs a home. And that home is not in crypto, it's not in some meme stock, and it's not in your buddy's can't-miss startup. You take that money and you consistently, every single month, plow it into low-cost, broad market index funds. Think VTI, VOO, the S&P 500. Boring is beautiful here. This money isn't for gambling. It's your foundation. It's the money that's going to work for you in the background, compounding quietly for decades while you're out in the world building your actual business. Set up automatic investments and forget about it. Let the market do the heavy lifting. And here's a bonus step, and for this channel, it's probably the most important one. Start your side hustle now. My biggest regret is that I didn't start my side hustles sooner. A side hustle isn't just about making an extra $500 a month. It's a low-risk laboratory for your future business. You want to start a marketing agency? Start by doing freelance marketing for local businesses on nights and weekends. You want to build a software company? Start building a small app that solves a problem you have. This is how you learn sales, marketing, client management, and product development while you still have the safety of your 9-to-5 paycheck. By the time you hit your Coast Fire number, you might already have a business that's generating real revenue. So, in summary, get a high-paying skill. Avoid stupid debt, live lean, and create a huge gap between your income and expenses. Invest that gap consistently into boring index funds and start building your future business on the side today. Do that, and I promise you, in 5 to 10 years, you'll look up and realize you've done it. You've bought your freedom. The work is just beginning. But now it's work you do for yourself. Congrats in advance, gentlemen. Now go build your Launchpad. I'll see you in the next one.